Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be focusing on a game called Parts of Speech. So the purpose of this game is for you to identify different parts of speech and to locate examples of that part of speech. So the different parts of speech in this game are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and preposition. Now, the really handy and educational thing about this game is that you can focus on just one specific part of speech. So, if a student is struggling with identifying nouns, they can untick all the other boxes to just focus on nouns and become more confident in identifying them. Or if a teacher is focusing on adverbs and adjectives in a lesson, they can untick all the other boxes and then focus on just adverbs and adjectives in a game. So to play the game is really simple. All you have to do is move your mouse and then shoot the type of the example of the part of speech. So here we need to find the adjective. Now the adjective in this screen would be dirty. So the really handy thing is that it shows whether you have it right or wrong. So the students immediately know whether they got it correct or not, and then they can immediately see where they need to improve. Now the noun would be children. Here we need to find the adjective, which would be old. So this really helps in getting students to become confident in identifying different parts of speech and to locate examples of that part of speech. It can also facilitate learning as teachers can focus on just one part and focus on that part of speech in their lesson. It also helps students to see how these parts of speech are needed and where they are needed more specifically. This game is also very helpful as it isn't too fast, but there is still a little bit of pressure placed on the person who is playing the game, which is really helpful as it encourages the students to become quicker at identifying these parts of speech and to become more confident. Overall, I think this game is very educational. Thank you.